Without the Cymoedd funding, we would never have been able to do the work that we've done.
What it's allowed us to do is really kind of modernise a number of our exhibits.
Without Cymoedd, we just wouldn't be where we are today.
This is a unique opportunity for us.
The Cymoedd Community Fund was established in order to ensure that local communities benefit from the profits generated by that wind farm.
The impact this had on the community as a whole. We've got women's only group, we've got children's groups, we've got veterans coming here using the gym.
Since launching our business in April last year, the brand grew too quickly for us. So we were running out of space, we were running out of resources, and we really had to remodel our business. The grant has provided us with a new premises and also provided us with new equipment, which means that we can produce more stock and also employ staff.
The funding that we received from Cymoedd has enabled me to install a large pre-frame into the main area of the play yard, something that's unique to Treorchy. When we started out, there were 3 members of staff here, and we are now up to 17 members of staff, and also 9 other people who are facilitating our classes and activities that run here as well.
We were able to employ a young person from the area to help set up coding and computer sessions.
The Cymoedd Fund has enabled us to apply to Ofcom for an FM licence.
We used to have a big timeline of disasters and accidents in mines around South Wales. With the help of Cymoedd is to digitise all of that material and put it onto a large touchscreen in the museum for visitors to kind of access.
It's really changed the way Hot Jammers worked. We did 1 course a year. We're looking now at delivering for about 20 weeks of the year for the next 2 years.
The idea was to start a concept called the Visit Treorchy project. With the funding from Cymoedd, we've launched a website now, which is part tourism website, part community website. Every business and about 45 community groups that's part of the Chamber of Trade have got a website that have now got a presence on there. It's proven to be a great footfall drive for the town, and footfall has been up massively since we've launched this website.
The fund is £1.8 million annually that comes from the wind farm at Cymoedd, and this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for us as community members to reinvent ourselves and look for new opportunities and new jobs, and to make our communities and our valleys a place that people want to come and live and work and spend their leisure time. The benefits of this fund should be felt far after the 20 years of the fund.
We're not inhibited by rules that are drawn up by other people. We can invest in charities, we can invest in community groups, we can invest in private businesses. The scale of investment varies. We're here to respond to the needs of the community the most creative way possible.
You've got nothing to lose by contacting Cymoedd. Arrange a meeting with the girls in the office, they sit down and you just speak to them like normal people.
Talk to the office. Barbara and Kate are so helpful, and no question is too much to ask.
We found the staff to be exceptionally helpful and supportive, always at the end of a telephone line.
That £1.8 million a year could actually turn into so much more and so much more value.
If you as an individual or as a representative organisation have ideas that you want to develop, please come and talk to us. We will give you all the assistance that we can to enable you to develop those ideas and take them forward.